Have you ever wondered how one tiny ion can completely change the color of a solution? Let's find out. We begin by adding potassium thiocyanate to an iron chloride solution. Within seconds, the liquid transforms into a deep blood red color. This isn't just a simple color change. It happens because iron ions combine with thiocyanate ions to form a strongly colored iron thiocyanate complex. At this point, it looks like the reaction is complete, but chemistry always has surprises. Now it's time to add sodium fluoride. As the fluoride ions spread through the solution, something amazing begins to happen. The intense red color slowly fades and eventually disappears. Why? Because fluoride ions have a stronger attraction to iron ions than thiocyanate does. They gradually replace the thiocyanate, forming a new iron fluoride complex that is nearly colorless. Nothing has been removed from the solution. The iron is still there. Only its chemical environment has changed, and that single change is enough to completely transform the color before your eyes. This is a perfect example of how chemical equilibrium and complex formation can produce dramatic visual effects. Chemistry is amazing. Subscribe to Shock Lab for more amazing chemistry experiments.